Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this little bad boy. It's a Yamaha MT-10, one of our best selling bikes. Looks fantastic in the grey with the fluoro wheels, and it's got some lovely little extras on it. So it's 2016 on a 16 plate, so 9,156 miles. You get traction control, you get a few different power modes, you get ABS. This one has got cruise control as well. It's got billet levers, got some nice little extras, got a bit of protection around here. Oil filler cap there. It's got a scorpion exhaust and a decat. Sounds pretty fruity. It's got a tail tidy on the bike as well. We've just given it a service, put a fresh set of tyres on it. So we did sell the bike last year, but sadly it had a bit of an engine problem. The crank went on it for some reason. So instead of pulling all the engine apart, getting it all fixed, we've literally thought, let's get another engine in it. So about 5,000 mile, fully warranted. It purrs like a kitten, sounds lovely. So it'll be all warranted up, all sorted out for you, and it's lovely, sounds fantastic as well. So we'll give it a quick fire up. Definitely one of the best sounding bikes on the market. So if you do want it, have a look at the advert, give us a call, or get yourself down to Jordanbikes. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.